Want to use Afterpay money to buy crypto? Here's a clear, safe 60-second guide. First, check Afterpay terms and local laws. Some regions block cash outs or crypto purchases. Open your Afterpay app, confirm available balance and see payout or gift card options. Choose a regulated crypto exchange, complete identity verification and enable two-factor authentication. Convert Afterpay funds to usable payment, withdraw to your bank, buy a prepaid gift card, or use a linked debit. Be aware of fees, processing times and exchange rates before you move money. Deposit funds to the exchange via bank transfer or redeem your gift card and wait for confirmation. Select your crypto, pick market or limit order, confirm total cost and execute the purchase. For security, withdraw coins to your private wallet and store the recovery phrase offline. Keep detailed transaction records, monitor transfers, and avoid phishing links or untrusted apps. Quick recap: check terms, verify identity, convert funds, deposit, buy crypto, and secure your wallet. Find platform lists, fee comparisons, and step-by-step tutorials in the description. Subscribe for more guides.